Want to keep tabs on your credit score without spending a dime? A free myFICO account offers a great way to do just that. First, head over to myFICO.com. Look for the Sign Up or Get Your Score button and click it. You'll need to enter some personal info like your name, birthday, address, and the last four digits of your Social Security number for verification. Don't worry, this is a soft credit inquiry and won't affect your score. After that, verify your identity via email or phone. Once verified, you'll gain access to your FICO Score 8, a credit utilization graph, and the option to set up customizable alerts. Remember, the free tier doesn't require a credit card. These alerts will notify you about important changes, like score drops or new accounts opened in your name, helping you stay on top of your credit health. It's a proactive way to monitor your credit and protect yourself from potential issues. Now that you're signed up, let's explore what you get with the free myFICO account. You'll have access to your FICO Score 8, which is widely used by lenders. You'll also see a credit utilization graph, giving you a visual representation of how much of your available credit you're using. This score ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. The real power comes from the customizable alerts. You can set these up to notify you about things like a drop in your credit score, new hard inquiries on your credit report, or new accounts being opened. This helps you quickly identify potential fraud or errors, such as unauthorized hard inquiries that could indicate identity theft. Keep in mind that the free account has limitations. You'll only see your score and basic alerts. Full credit reports are available for a one-time fee, around $9.95 as of 2025, if you need more detailed information. Also, the free alerts are limited to email and SMS notifications. Despite these limitations, a free myFICO account provides a valuable starting point for monitoring your credit and staying informed about your financial health. Plus, by using their free score education modules, you can learn ways to improve your score.